Hello everyone, welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will be sharing with you my easy recipe about la rosca de rias or king brioche or brioche de roi. This recipe is very easy and tasty. Prepare your ingredients and come with me to the kitchen. Let's get started. For this recipe we will need flour with sugar, warm milk, instant yeast, little bit of almonds flour, orange zest, 1 egg, and butter at room temperature. In a bowl with a stand mixer, fit it with a dough hook, put your warm milk, instant yeast, flour with sugar, almonds flour, 1 egg, and mix everything well. When everything is well incorporated, you will get a soft dough. Now it's time to add your butter. Add your butter little by little. Add your orange zest. Mix everything well. Cover it with a saran wrap and leave it in your fridge for about 12 hours or overnight. This step is called proofing. After 12 hours of proofing, your dough will double its volume. Now it's time to add your dried fruits. It is better to soak your dried fruits overnight in orange water to give it more taste and smell. You have to well incorporate your dried fruits. Now it's time to shape our la rosca de rias or brioche de roi or king brioche. Put a little bit of flour between your hands. Gather your dough. Don't overwork it because you will develop gluten in your dough and you will get a thick and heavy brioche. Flatten your ball a little bit and make a hole in the middle. Gently open up your dough until you get nice and beautiful crown. I'm trying to put my crown in the same size of my mold, and you have to do that too. When my crown reached my mold size, I put it in it and let it proof for about 2 hours. Adjust your crown in your mold nicely to get nice and beautiful shape. Let your rosca de rias proof in warm weather for about 2 hours. When proofed, egg wash. Decorated your rosca de rias with dried fruit. Try to make some patterns to make it look like a crown. Put some sugar on the top to give it a crunchy taste. Bake your rosca de rias at 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. When your rosca de rias is completely cooled down, take it out from your mold and decorate it of your choice. I brushed my rosca de rias with orange marmalade and sticked some almonds on the top to give it a crown look. My rosca de rias now is ready to serve. Look at this beautiful shape. My rosca de rias is very tasty. The smell of orange zest and orange water blossom, the smell of almonds. And when you taste it, it's crunchy outside and very soft inside. Guys, you have to try this recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!